Hi, I'm Dr. Kant Shah. I'm a pediatric laparoscopic and robotic surgeon from Mumbai, India. If you are an early or mid-career pediatric surgeon, then you appreciate that there is a growing demand for you to learn advanced pediatric laparoscopic surgery. As the technology improves, we are able to do more and more complex surgeries via minimally invasive techniques, giving results never before seen to our patients. However, there is a steep learning curve to learn advanced pediatric laparoscopic surgery. Personally, it took me many years and multitude of courses to be able to perform and deliver advanced pediatric laparoscopic surgery to my patients. To make this process faster for you, we have envisioned a comprehensive course in advanced pediatric laparoscopic surgery called the Squirrel course. This modular course provides all the basic techniques being taught over an online session and also through our vast and expanding video library. You then come down to Mumbai, and in our excellent facility, over more than 20 hours, we teach you hands-on practices on dry and wet models. These models have been carefully made to depict small, simple steps of real-life surgeries from simple to complex. Following this, you spend a day with us in the operating theatre where you get to observe our faculty performing around 6 to 8 surgeries over a whole day. This gives you a chance to not only interact with the anesthetist, see how things are done in real life, how the patient is positioned, how the ports are placed, but it gives you a one-to-one chance to interact during live surgery. Following this, our course continues as a monthly online contact program. During this 1 year, we go through more than 15 to 20 surgeries with our faculty showing you how to do these surgeries in absolute detail via video courses and lectures. You get to interact with all the faculty and other members of the training program, and each of you, by sharing how we have learned or how you have faced the difficulties, learn from each other. Even after your course is complete, our faculty endeavor to mentor and handhold you throughout your journey of advanced pediatric laparoscopic surgery. If you cannot come down to Mumbai for our hands-on course, we have a unique online-only option where you can get access to the entire video library and also all the online sessions before and during the monthly contact programs. To know more about this course, you can contact Dr. Pradeep Shenoy, our course convener, or click on the link below to the website, which gives more details about this course and also experiences of our past delegates and some photos and videos in the gallery.